Yo guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing great. First of all, I'd like to shout out a massive thank you for each and every single one of you for the love and support you showed us in the previous video. We really appreciate it. The silly mistake I did in my first video was filming everything in a portrait mode, which is not that good when it comes to YouTube videos. So I thought of moving one step forward and buying an action camera to replace the camera on my mobile phone. The soundest option to me in the market is a GoPro camera. So I thought of buying one, and I would like to share the unboxing with you as well. So got my keys, let's hit the road. Alright, let's see what we got after an expensive JB Hi-Fi run. This is an additional battery and a charger for my camera. This is my GoPro Hero 8 Black Edition action camera, which I'll use for vlogging in the future. And I was tempted to buy a drone as well. This is a DJI Mavic Mini, which is a pretty good beginner drone and which comes with everything inside in it. Alright, first things first, this is my GoPro Hero 8 action camera, which is the world's most versatile action 4K video camera, which comes with a Hyper Smooth 2.0 video stabilization. Pretty good. This is a Mavic Mini from DJI, comes with the beautiful stuff for the Fly More combo package. It has 3 batteries and will definitely give me more flying time in the air. It is an ultra lightweight drone with only 249 grams in weight, and it has a 4km video transmission range, which is pretty awesome. And it has a built-in vision infrared sensors for precise hovering, and it comes with a 3-axis gimbal 2.7K camera for quick shots in the air. And now let's get this baby airborne. I hope you guys enjoyed our video. If you did enjoy our video, give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. We'll catch you next time in a video. Peace out.